Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of June, 2023. Let's go ahead and talk about Ethereum today because we could potentially see an explosive move to the upside in Ethereum if price is able to break above 1925. You guys can tell that that is where we have our current area of resistance in the market for Ethereum. Now we need to actually give the buyers opportunity to see if they really want to break that price to the upside. Now, as I always do, I come through and I show you what the market has done against what I originally thought on my last video. And for Ethereum, it was produced on June the 12th. You guys can see that I expected the price in Ethereum to go down, and that is exactly what the market did. And not only that, look at this. The market in Ethereum actually came through and held our trend line. That is why the market went higher, just by that reason alone. And we talked about that on our video on the 16th of June. So I want to say congratulations to those who also predicted the same thing. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. Congratulations to those who was able to bag at least 6.75%. Like I said, I really wasn't that bearish in the market for Ethereum, but needless to say, it is good to see the price action in Ethereum trading back up here around 1925. So on this video, we need to figure out, okay, what's the chances of us seeing price in Ethereum break 1925 to the upside? Is it good? Is it bad? Or should we expect price to get rejected just like it did back in the ending of May? Should we expect the same thing again? So let me zoom in on this daily chart first, and I'm going to show you how you can tell whether or not a market is getting hit with selling, okay? So look at this. These 4 days right here, starting on the 22nd of June to today, look at how those price bars are closing. They're closing off of the highs. That is representative of selling coming into the market in Ethereum. And when you combine that with where resistance is right now at 1920, it all makes sense. This is the reason why Ethereum is not currently going higher today. It's because someone is selling Ethereum at 1920. It's been 4 days. And since price in Ethereum really hasn't reacted negatively to the selling, it's just trading left to right. That tells us that buyers are currently still working the market. Like they're still there buying Ethereum. Okay. Let's look at Ethereum on the 2-day chart. We have 8 hours and 53 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. And again, we're still seeing the inability of Ethereum to move higher. Now, right here on this 2-day price bar, we do see some strength. So we have to remember that the market definitely is in control of the buyers. They're trying to lift this market up in Ethereum, but they're currently getting snagged at 1920. Here's Ethereum on the 3-day chart. Okay. So currently this market in Ethereum is still bullish. We're just going through the process of selling. Buyers are currently still there trying to consume all of the selling that's going on. The only problem is if the buyers get tired or they run out of money, and price will fall down because we are trading at resistance in the market in Ethereum. Here it is on the 5. Okay, so we're starting out on a new 5-day price bar. The last one did give us an indicator of strength, which is very good to see. But we saw the market close off the highs of this 5-day price bar. So I still want you all to remember that the freeway is not clear. There's still traffic on the road that could possibly stop the progressional upward move in Ethereum. Okay. Here it is on the weekly chart. 8 hours and 51 minutes left. Now I will tell you this. In 8 hours and 51 minutes on this weekly price bar, if we do see the price in Ethereum close up here at the high of the bar, then yeah, we're still going to be bullish into the market in Ethereum right there. Here it is on the 2 weeks. This is going to be even more powerful in the next 7 days for us to see the market in Ethereum close up there at the high end of the bar. Here it is on the 3, 5. Look at Ethereum on the 5-week chart. I like this too as well from a weekly perspective. For us to see the market in Ethereum confirm this trend line, and now we're seeing the market close up here at the high end of the bar on top of what occurred here on this 5-weekly price bar. I think the idea for us is to anticipate that Ethereum is going to continue to go up. Yeah. Now, is it going to be explosive? Not right now, considering these daily price bars of us noticing resistance and selling coming in around 1920, 1925. No, it don't look like it's going to be explosive. But what we're going to do is we're going to play that move to the upside though. Okay. Take a look at this. This is the 15-hour price bar into the market in Ethereum. And like I said, you can see where the selling is coming in. Right there is one indication of selling. Here's another one, and here's another one. Now I want you all to tell, when you see selling come in, you're expecting to see price go lower, to descend, but that hasn't been the case. You guys can see where the buyers are staging a hold. Like, they're not letting price in Ethereum fall below that level. Why is that the case? If those individuals didn't believe that Ethereum was going to continue to go higher, they wouldn't do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to look forward to Ethereum going up as well. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pinpoint and give you all our expectations into the market in Ethereum and how high we think it's going to go. So we're going to hit this back over on the daily chart. And like I said, we're going to look for the market to go higher. So the first thing is seeing how price in Ethereum did hold that trend line. We want to see the market now on the next movement to the down. So let's just say that sellers continue to dominate the market. We don't want to see the price in Ethereum fall below $1,700. We don't want to see that. Now, first target is going to be around 2,000. Okay, that's going to be our first target, $2,000. That is 5.82% move to the upside in Ethereum. It's not a lot, but I want you all to see that we did see some selling come in right there on the beginning of May. So again, this could be actually a problem for the buyers once they actually get rid of the sellers at 1920. Okay, that is a pretty good area right there too, because we could take it all the way back to 2022 in August that Ethereum could not even break above $2,000 there too. So we need to be a little bit more vigilant. Okay, we don't want to be too greedy into the market in Ethereum. My second target is going to be at the high that occurred in April, mid-April 2023. That's going to be our second target. I'm going to take a little bit lower though, to like $2,100. This is 11%. Okay, so we're going to do that, and we already know what the buyers are up against: 1920, 1925. So if the market in Ethereum doesn't trade above that area relatively soon, then we will have to come back in and contemplate, okay, how strong really is the market in Ethereum? That's it. All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. As always, make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.